Number 21. Keep up with. It means to maintain the same pace or level as someone or something.
It's hard to keep up with the latest technology. It's hard to keep up with the latest technology. She keeps up with all the news every day. She keeps up with all the news every day. I run every morning to keep up with my kids. I run every morning to keep up with my kids.
Number 22. Set up. It means to arrange or establish something, to prepare or organize.
He set up a meeting for next Wednesday. He set up a meeting for next Wednesday. Can you set up the chairs for the event? Can you set up the chairs for the event? She set up a new business downtown. She set up a new business downtown.
Number 23. Suffer a heart attack. It means to experience a medical emergency where the heart stops functioning properly.
My grandfather suffered a heart attack last year. My grandfather suffered a heart attack last year. He suffered a heart attack while playing tennis. He suffered a heart attack while playing tennis. She immediately called 911 when he suffered a heart attack. She immediately called 911 when he suffered a heart attack.
Number 24. Tie the knot. It means to get married.
They plan to tie the knot next summer. They plan to tie the knot next summer. Many couples tie the knot on the beach. Many couples tie the knot on the beach. My parents tied the knot 20 years ago. My parents tied the knot 20 years ago.
Number 25. Try one's best. It means to do as well as one possibly can.
I tried my best on the final exam. I tried my best on the final exam. She's trying her best to learn English. She's trying her best to learn English. They always try their best in competitions. They always try their best in competitions.